So I've been a web designer and also a software engineer for some time now. And one of the things that I've seen currently is that we have now new tools that can actually make websites or even code itself. AI tools that are making, websites instantly. And these websites, believe me, they're beautiful, they're nice. But if you actually walk into the rooms or into the spaces of this small business, you actually realize that a website only is actually the least of their problems. Yes, they need to be online, they need to be discoverable, but there are so other problems that these small businesses are facing behind the scenes. And now this triggered something in my mind to say, so for the next website developer or for the next aspiring web designer that wants to be in the top 1% of all the developers out there, what exactly should they be doing, right? Hence this video. Being a web designer alone in this year is no longer enough. Look at the States. There are so many players in the industry. The market is being saturated day in, day out. So what do you need to do? You need to start learning or mastering beyond just design. Yes, you can master designing. You can actually come up with your own niche, which is fine. But trust me, you design a website for a business today, the next thing that they're going to ask you is, how am I going to handle all these orders? How am I going to handle the payments, right? How am I going to sort out my inventory and also even payrolls, right? So you find these are some of the hidden problems that these small businesses are facing, right? So I'm saying to you, you need to now start learning web applications, right? What is it that encompasses a web application? How do I make one? So a web application involves 4 parts, right? The basic ones. First is the front end. This is what you've been currently doing now, right? You're creating the nice look and feel. This is actually what the users see out there, right? Now you have the backend. Now this is where you write your business logic, how to handle authentication, how to handle orders. If people are placing orders, if it's, let's say it's an e-commerce site, how do you do that? They want to do payments, how do you do that? All those things, right? That's the logic. Now the third thing is the database, right? With all these things, we need to store the information, the user information, on a storage, which is now a database. And this can be MySQL database, this can be any type of database, right, out there. You need just to know one. After we have dealt with all these three, right, there's something which we call the infrastructure. Where are we going to house all these three things, right? Package them into one, which is the hosting. So you need now to know how to do hosting. So you need now to know these ins and out of web application. Yes, you can attack me saying, I don't need to know all those things because now there's vibe coding, there's AI that can do it for me. It's fine. But all I'm saying, these are the basics, these are the fundamentals. Even if you choose any AI tool out there, you still need to understand these things. How does your front end communicate with the back end, and how does the back end communicate and fetch data from your database, right? At the end, you need to store it somewhere, right? You need some infrastructure somewhere, be it the cloud, be it on premise and all those things, such that now when you're looking for clients to do websites, you are no longer just designing websites. You are now doing an extra. You are now a problem solver, because the only thing that separates people, to be honest with you, is how you think, how you solve problems, right? Everyone has got a problem. Everyone is struggling from something. So if you just go to a business and say, I create websites, right? That's just one. Maybe they are not even interested. They will tell you whatever that we have is working for us. But what we are looking for someone who can integrate this platform with this platform. And now when you know web applications, this is where you come into play, playing with APIs and all those things. So this is just my thought, guys. If you are interested in web designing, don't end there. You need to grow. You need to solve problems. and how you can do it. Start learning web application. I'm here if you need to ask me anything. I'm here to just guide you through on how to start doing these things, because I think we need to move towards that. And making use of AI, obviously we can vibe code, we can actually ask any AI, ChatGPT, to come up with documentations to sort out our bugs. Let me know what you think. It was just like a hint that I thought maybe one or two might benefit from if you are already not doing web applications, right, based on my experience. So let me know what you think. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel, welcome to the space. This is what we do. We share insights. We just help each other here and there to grow in our careers, and so that we all win at the end of the day. We all win in this journey of software engineering and so forth, right? So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and tell me what you think in the comments, right? Tell me what I've left out. Tell me what I also should improve on this channel. What topics do you want me to bring next? And that's it. So go out there, start designing something that is impactful, start solving problems, and see you in the next one.